Good morning, guys. I hope that you all had a wonderful Easter. This is your Chieftain Academy update for April 13th, 2020. Corona edition. I've lost count of days and weeks. So I hope that you guys are all doing well and that you all had a nice, quiet, staying in weekend and Easter or Passover or just spring, whatever it is that your family celebrates. So let's get right into things here. Our attendance expectations have not changed. You need to be checking in with me one time per week. Your options are Google Hangouts, 10 a.m. I will include the link in the email. I'm on at 10 a.m. Monday through Friday. Text, you can text me. The number for that is 740-583-9090, or you can use the Remind, whatever works for you better, or email. And you guys should all know my email address because I email you like a crazy lady. You also, in addition to checking in, because that's not just enough, need to be completing 5 or more assignments per week. I'm going to take a deep breath here and pause for a minute. Guys, you know where you're at. I'm going to talk about work deadlines here in a minute, but whether we're in the building seeing each other face to face or whether we are in our homes, the end of the school year is fast approaching. If you're behind and you're only doing 5 assignments per week, you're not going to earn all of your credits this year. I don't say that to be mean. I don't say that to be harsh. I'm just saying if you have been not on top of things, the end of the school year, even though we're at home, is still the end of the school year. Part of being a Chieftain Academy student is that you've had flexibility all school year. And so if you've taken a little bit too much advantage of that flexibility, it's crunch time. It's go time. Get your work done, okay? So the minimum is 5 assignments per week, but I don't want your parents calling me come May 15th saying, well, they're not going to be done in time. Guys, you know how this works. You know how. And if you need help, like coming up with a schedule, I love a good schedule. I will help you. I can tell you how many assignments you need to get done per day, but it's unique to each of you, so I can't just send it out and say everybody needs to do this because everybody's in a different place. I have some students who are already done for the school year. Lucky them, right? So, with that, if you need help with your schoolwork, guys, all you have to do is ask for help. I am available anytime for appointments on video call to help you with your schoolwork. If you don't want to do a video call, I'll call you on the phone. I say video call only because, like, especially if it's math related, I can, show you how to do the problems. So, guys, there's no excuses for not getting the help that you need. Okay, no excuses for not getting the help that you need. So now let's talk about those schoolwork deadlines. If you are a senior, and you are graduating this school year, and I'm so excited for you, all of your work is due Friday, May 15th. No extensions, nada. I have to have your grades in. So if you've still got a lot left to get done, get at it, guys, okay? Remember, I sent just the seniors an email last week that says, we are committed to having a graduation and a prom and all of those wonderful things for you. It may be in August. We don't know yet. But we want to have those things, and I want to see you guys at those things. So, senior, if you are in 12th grade and you are graduating, work needs to be turned in by Friday, May 15th. No extensions. If you're a freshman, sophomore, or junior, I want you to shoot for Monday, May 18th. That way, if we have anything we need to go over or we need to bump up a grade, we have a little bit of wiggle room there that last week of school to do that. I am getting a ton of emails about computers. Guys, I love you. You know that. I am not, my daughter just put it best, I'm technologically incapable. Okay, I cannot fix your computer for you. So if your dog ate your charger, if your Chromebook has smoke coming out its sides, won't turn on, I can't fix it for you guys, but I know people who can. The technology department. And you can email them or you can call them. And do you know what? They will even make arrangements with you to get you replacement parts. They might mail them to you. They can have it ready during Monday lunch pickup, any of those things. But guys, here's the thing. It's your responsibility to get that Chromebook fixed. I can't fix it for you. And if you don't take it upon yourself, my daughter's shaking her head, like making a horrible face, because I really can't fix your Chromebook for you. If you don't get your Chromebook fixed, that's not an excuse, okay? Just call them. I know it's scary, okay? I live with a high schooler. It's scary to contact adults sometimes, but they will help you because that's our job, okay? Even if you're afraid to email them and you want me to facilitate an email me that. I will say this. If you guys have ever heard the saying, you get more bees with honey than you do vinegar, being super polite to them always helps, okay? So, but get your Chromebooks fixed. If you need lunches, please take advantage of this. Lunches can be picked up, and it's a box for the entire week. You can get a box for anybody under 18 in your household. They can be picked up at Logan High School on Mondays from 11 to 1. If you do not have transportation to do that, please call the number 740-385-8517 extension 0. Provide your address, number, probably your name too. Name, address, number, people in your household 18 years or younger, and they will deliver to you on a Friday. So I feel like I talked fast, but I went over everything. Everybody needs to be getting their schoolwork done. If your computer breaks, contact technology. Let me know, but contact technology, and we will go from there. I look forward to seeing you all, hopefully your beautiful faces, because I miss you guys, in Google Hangouts one day this week. Have a great one.